Hi, this is Miss B from the Overton Library. I wish we could be together today and I could show you around the library, but since we can't, I just wanted to meet with you a little bit and tell you about some of the things that the library can provide for you. There's a little Bitmoji of me saying, are you having computer trouble or do you need your password changed? We can help with that. Miss Davis, our clerk, is saying, are you looking for a good book to read? Do you want to learn how to check out an ebook or an audiobook? We can help with that. We have some videos we've made to make it easier. And Miss Sharp is saying, do you need help accessing databases, using Noodle tools, or doing other kinds of research work? We can help with all of that. So this slide shows all of our email addresses, and it shows a little Google number that I have. So feel free to get in touch with us with any questions you have. We also have a Teams meeting where you can meet with us live any Monday through Friday from 10:55 to 11:40. You can ask your teacher for a link. And we also have a website with lots of great information, overtonlibrary.com, one of which is a link to what you need to get your learner's permit, so some of you may be interested in that. And we also have a Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So feel free to join us there. And now, what you've really been waiting for, I wanted to tell you how you can access Lynda. Your library card number is your 190 student number, the student number that starts with 190. And your library card PIN is your birth date, that's month, day. So if your birthday is today, August 17th, your PIN number would be 0817. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'm always happy to help. I hope you have a great day.